Welcome to LifeCamp, a quiet residential neighborhood in Abuja under Abuja Municipal Area Council. It is one of the newest neighborhoods in the Phase 3 of Abuja City Master Plan, with well-planned roads and infrastructure that make it easy for residents to navigate and access amenities within the neighborhood. It is developed as part of the expansion of the city to accommodate its growing population needs. The development of LifeCamp as a residential area began in the late 1990s and early 2000s. It was initially planned to provide housing for civil servants and residents looking for modern living spaces within the FCT. Alright guys, today I'm going to take you through LifeCamp Neighborhood. This neighborhood is not a district by itself, but it is part of several districts like Gwarimpa district, like Dakibiu, and part of it is Dape district. So it cuts across some of the districts to form a neighborhood. It was originally given to construction companies that earlier settled in this neighborhood while their construction of parts of Abuja were going on. And so today it has developed into a full-blown neighborhood where you find all kinds of people. There are so many expatriates that live here. It's actually a vibrant neighborhood where you find different people from all walks of life. Middle class live here, upper class live here, and so it's a very beautiful place. You won't believe that even the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory has his official residence in LifeCamp. As a matter of fact, just across the road where I am right now overlooks the official residence of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. So just down the road you will see one of the gates leading into that particular residence, all right? So it is an important neighborhood. The reason why I have chosen to take you guys around this neighborhood today, in case you want to live in LifeCamp Neighborhood. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you the aerial view of the entire LifeCamp Neighborhood. That way you are going to be able to appreciate what it looks like in its entirety. This neighborhood is full of estates. Estate developers find here a choice place to develop estates, and so there are so many very well built estates, residential estates found in LifeCamp Neighborhood. I ask you to please kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for me as well, okay? When you subscribe, I will promise you one thing. I will make sure I send you notifications of every video I post on this channel. That way you're not going to miss a thing. Let's take a tour of LifeCamp Neighborhood. One of the appealing aspects of LifeCamp is its proximity to natural surroundings and green spaces. Residents often enjoy walks, jogging, or picnics in nearby parks and green areas, providing a refreshing break from urban life. Over the years, LifeCamp has seen significant infrastructure development, including roads, schools, shopping centers, and recreational facilities. This has contributed to its appeal as a residential area within a growing middle to upper middle class population, leading to the expansion of residential estates and commercial establishments in the area. Several estates have continually been constant features in the playbook of the Abuja real estate millionaire investors, with the ability to return over 100 million naira in rental income annually and over 10 billion naira for resellers. Having a home with any of the estates in LifeCamp, such as Brains and Hammers, Godab Estate, Paradise Estate, and many others like them, has the ability to give your portfolio an endless uplift. LifeCamp Neighborhood offers a range of leisure and shopping options that cater to everyday shopping needs, providing convenience to local residents and visitors. It is home to several shopping centers and plazas where residents can find a variety of retail outlets, supermarkets, pharmacies, and other essential services. The area boasts a selection of restaurants, cafes, and eateries offering diverse cuisines ranging from Nigerian dishes to international cuisines. This makes it a popular spot for dining out and socializing among residents. There are recreational facilities in LifeCamp where residents can engage in sports and fitness activities, including gyms, sports clubs, and parks where families and individuals can relax and enjoy outdoor activities. All right, friends, I want to believe you have enjoyed watching LifeCamp Neighborhood. I will want you to once again remember to subscribe to the channel. That way you are not going to miss any of the videos I'll be posting on this channel. All right, there are more important neighborhoods and districts that I'm yet to show you in Abuja. Okay, so you're not going to miss any of that. Because of that, I want you to hit the subscribe button and be the first to know when I post any video. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.